Congratulations sa'yo, Roel Carino, ang ka-voice ni Matt Monroe, for winning the Best New Male Artist of the Year award sa katatapos lang ng 38 Aliw Award ceremony.
Ayan na! Sila bunso na!
Male artist. Roel Carino.
Yay! Nanalo si Roel! Nasaan na si Roel? Ayun! Ayun si bunso! Nanalo si bunso! Nanalo na po siya! Announce na! Yes! Thanks God! Oh my God, nanginginig yung kamay ko.
So, receiving this award is a very, very big deal for me because, as you might know, I only started my journey here in showbiz in late April. So this means a lot. This early into my career, imagine getting an award already. So, I would just like to sincerely thank the Aliw Awards Foundation and all of the people here, whether you be a nominee or not. Congratulations to all of you. I love you very much.
I love you too, bunso! Oh my God! Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Ay, grabe, naiiyak ako. Woo!
And the winner for Best New Female Artist is Simone Valderrama Martinez.
Yes! Grinan ni Lord lahat ng prayers po natin. Thank you, Lord. Nanalo po si Bunso, New Male, Best New Male Artist. Congrats, Bunso. Super proud ng Roel Carino Fans Club.
Thank you po, Aliw, for giving me this award tonight. I'm eternally grateful. I would also love to thank my parents who have guided me throughout this journey ever since I was a kid, and my abuelo and my abuelita who is here also tonight for supporting me, and the rest of my friends and my family who have always been there for me, and my best friend and my sister who are also here, and my Ninang Beautiful who is always there for me. So, thank you.
Nagpapaselfie pa kay Bunso, oh. Naharang kami rin magpapaselfie. Titigil ko na tong live ko. Oh my God, pinagkaguluhan na si Bunso.
Best new group artist is
Nanginginig
Big
ako.
Big or Big.
So proud na witness namin ng personal yung first award ni Bunso.
Pag sinabi ko na si Nina, pag sinabi ko na tayo sa Marikina.
Thank you so much, Aliw Awards. Hello everyone, I'm Matilda.
Naiiyak ako, mami. Kinakabahan ko. Nagigibahan ako sa kamay ko.
Grabe, thank you so much. Super unexpected.
Oh, grabe, naiiyak ako. Oo, baka hanggang ngayon.
Thank you so much po na nakaka-uwi sa talong po natin sa Nigeria. First of all, we would like to
Nanginginig yung kamay ko, my God.
gift na tawag tayo. Isa na sa amin po.
Bakit? Ang likod nga po. Ang likod nga po nung kamay ko gumagano.
Daan ka naman kila Mami Gina. Daan ka naman.
Keys, thank you so much, Keys. Thank you so much, our family, friends, and of course,
Babay na po. Babay na po, viewers. Ayan na si Bunso. Nakita niyo na malapitan.
Picture lang kayo. Bahawak na.